Welcome to the Novice Builder, where every expert was once a novice.
In the last video, I showed you the step-by-step process of building the cement ramp, from preparing the ground to pouring and finishing the concrete. Now that the ramp is complete and fully cured, it's time to move on to the next important step, installing the handrails. Rails not only add safety and stability, especially for accessibility, but they also give the ramp a clean, finished look. So let's dive into how it's done. First, let's gather the essential tools and materials for the installation. Tools: measuring tape for marking anchor positions and rail placement, marker to mark drilling spots, combination wrench, tightening or loosening nuts and bolts, hammer drill for drilling holes into the concrete surface, tape used to mark drill depth, hammer used to tap or push the bolts securely into the surface, and masonry drill bits specifically designed for concrete or cement. Materials: stainless steel handrail provides safety and support, durable and rust resistant, and sleeve anchor used to securely fasten objects to concrete, brick, or masonry surfaces. Before starting, safety first. Wear your protective gear, check your tools, and clear the workspace. The rails I use here are stainless steel, made from round tubing, strong, corrosion resistant, and ideal for outdoor ramps. They feature a double horizontal design for added safety and stability, with vertical supports mounted on base plates anchored directly to the concrete. The smooth bends and clean welds give it a simple, durable, and professional finish. Step 1. Positioning and marking. First, I place the handrails in my desired location and mark where the anchors will be drilled. This step makes it easier to ensure the rails are positioned correctly before drilling. After marking the spots, I double-check the placement to make sure the rails follow the slope evenly and sit at the right height for accessibility. Note: to ensure the rails are positioned properly, they should be placed by two people. This helps maintain balance and alignment while positioning the rails, preventing uneven installation or accidental movement during marking. Step 2. Drilling for anchors. After marking the spots, I drill into the concrete using a hammer drill with a 3/4 inch masonry drill bit. Before drilling, I place a piece of tape around the bit at the same length as the sleeve anchor. This helps mark the drilling depth. Once the holes are ready, I insert the sleeve anchors into the holes and gently tap them with a hammer to make sure they fit smoothly. Step 3. Installing the rails. Next, I position the rail bases over the sleeve anchor and tighten the nuts to secure the rails firmly in place. I make sure each section is aligned properly along the slope to create a smooth, continuous handrail. Step 4. Final inspection. With everything installed, we give the ramp a final inspection. We test the rails for sturdiness, make sure the height and spacing are consistent, and ensure the entire structure feels solid and secure. At this stage, the ramp is fully functional, safe, durable, and ready for everyday use. And that's it. Our handrail installation is complete. This simple addition really boosts both safety and accessibility. If you found this tutorial helpful, check the description below for the full playlist, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel, The Novice Builder, for more step-by-step construction projects. Your feedback means a lot, so feel free to share your questions, tips, or suggestions in the comments. Thanks for watching. Make sure to hit the subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss out my upcoming project and videos.